Ladies and gentlemen, I say gentlemen, I say cat. Today I want to talk to you about something that resonates with each and every one of us, something that we all encounter at various points in our lifespan, whether it's physical, emotional, or mental. Pain is an inevitable part of the human experience. But it's how we respond to pain that really defines our character and our destiny. When we face pain, it's easy to retreat, to seek comfort, to give up. But I challenge you to see pain not as a signal to signal to stop, but as a sign to push forward. Pushing through the pain is not just about enduring suffering, it's about overcoming obstacles, defying odds, and emerging stronger on the other side. Yeah, think about the athletes who train tirelessly, pushing their bodies to the limit, enduring grueling workouts, and sacrificing comfort. They know that every drop of sweat, every aching muscle is a step closer to greatness. That's they understand that pain is temporary, but the glory of achievement lasts forever. They consider the innovators and entrepreneurs who face countless rejections, setbacks, and failures. They don't see these as reasons to quit, but as lessons, as stepping stones on the path to success. They push through the pain of disappointment and keep striving because they believe in their potential. Reflect on the countless individuals who have faced personal hardships, loss, and heartache. It's in these moments of deep pain that the human spirit shows resilience. By pushing through, by finding strength they never knew they had, they discover the beauty of life and the power of hope. You see, pain is not our enemy, it's our ally. It's a teacher that challenges us to grow, to become better versions of ourselves. It's the crucible in which our willpower is forged. When we push through pain, we prove to ourselves that we are capable of more than we ever imagined. So when you encounter pain, don't shy away. Embrace it, use it as fuel to ignite your passion, to drive you forward. Remember that every time you push through pain, you are not only moving closer to your goals, but also building a foundation of strength, resilience, and determination. Push through the pain and let it be the catalyst that propels you to greatness. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you.